Hey YouTube, what is going on? Well, today we have some exciting news on how to repair your Xbox 360 video game disc. Well, this is Halo 3. I don't know if you can see it, but this disc has got some bad problems, I mean, won't even play in my Xbox, it won't even install. So, I mean, the only option we have here is to repair it. I mean, I've tried this before on some of my other games, and it's a surefire work, you know. But let me just show you that this video game does not work when you place it inside of your Xbox 360 console. Enough said. See, you already know this game. I mean, come on. Anyways, okay. So, first step, you want to take two AA batteries. Make sure they're AA or Energizer or something like that. Place them on your disc sideways, positive and negative. The charges, you see what they do is they sort of pull the scratches off of the disc, and they magnetically enhance the game's ability to read, actually. Uh, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna want to take these off, get rid of them. Who needs them anyways? I mean, now they're useful or useless. I mean, excuse me. Oh, I goofed up there. Okay, now you're gonna want to take your favorite body spray. In this case, Axe Apollo. Make sure it's Axe Apollo, or else, I mean, this just won't work if it's not Axe Apollo, because Axe Apollo has the enhanced body smell, Yeah, here we go. Here, spray it one more time for good measure. Okay, what you're gonna want to do now? I'm gonna take the disc off, fan it. There we go. Juice everywhere. It's getting better already. Alright, sometimes the disc intends to have a nasty little layer of body funk on the disc. So you're going to want to take your favorite deodorant. Make sure it's Old Spice. It has to be Old Spice Denali. It has to be Denali. If it's not, then I mean you're in big trouble, because it won't work. What you're going to want to do here is you're going to put it all over. Put it all over the disc, Rotations. Okay. Just going to want to let that sit for a little bit. Okay. Then you're going to want to take a pair of your dirty underwear. I'm going to place that there. You're going to want to dry it all. Excuse me for a second. Let me set the camera down while I briefly. Hold on. And there we go. All dry for you there. Perfection. Okay, now, bad case of chapped lips, Sometimes. Brand chapstick, No, discs are just like humans. I mean, they get scratched, their feelings get hurt, and then they don't want to play, So so. There you go. Nice. Then you're gonna take that used pair of underwear. I'm gonna dry it off. Set this down real quick. Okay. Alright. Alrighty. There. First, now we've gotta go take this to the bathroom. Okay, take this to the bathroom. Now, what you're gonna want to do, take your disc, take a brush. You want to brush it, nice strokes, you know. Nice. Now, okay. Okay, I know. Here we go. That number one toothpaste trick. You want to put it on both sides. Oh, look at that. See, this is what they're not telling you about the toothpaste trick. Is you're gonna need your toothbrush. Yeah. There. You don't wanna get that everywhere, you know. Smear it all over with your hands and whatnot. Then you want to take your toothbrush. There. Get it nice and there. Minty. Take some soap. Spritz that on. You don't want to rub this into. Here we go. There's that. Hold on. Okay. Now, number one, shaving cream, shave foam. Shake well. There. Now, flush it down the toilet. Here we go. This is a dirty job for you. Okay. Yeah. Gross. Then take it. Turn your water on. Rinse off your hand. Let it sit in the water there for a little bit. Yeah. So I want to get everything off here. Yeah. There we go. Take it and dry it off now. Nice. Perfection. I mean, look at this. Looking better already. Progress. Sheer progress. Now, one more step. One more. The test drive. Wait, not the test drive. Excuse me, I forgot a couple of details. You're going to take a blue Expo marker. Make sure it's blue. If it's not blue, then it definitely won't work. I'm going to draw. I'm going to go ahead and draw all over it. Yeah, make it pretty, make it pretty. Color blue. There we go. I'm going to take this. just gonna see your wall there. Throw it at it. After you throw it at your wall, set your disc down on the carpet, one of these handy dandy pencil cases, and thrust it on top of it. Two more. One more. There we go. Then you're gonna want to take a copy of a child. Nah, book is too sad. We're gonna take a copy of No David No. Open it. Close it. Open it again. And finished product. Installed right there. And that, my friends, is how to repair a scratched game disc. Thank you for your time.